Hello guys, back with more battle of whatever, I can't say it. I'm gonna kill these two off right here. And I like this music quite a bit. I like just music like this, and also piano. But I can never find it just quite right. Never find the classical, soothing music that I like. So, how have you guys been? Hey, got 6 this time. So I'm actually gonna do, I'm gonna get an extra wizard. And I'm gonna grab the fire wizard too. No, I'm gonna grab the healer. And I believe we got the same amount of money though. Oh no, later. Oh, I need to do that before I go to gameiverse's house. Yes, I am going to his house, and me, him, and brando22 may be recording there. Just maybe. And something dropped. Hopefully I'll get the chance to record a couple of these and upload one. Oh yeah, just getting through some of these easy waves, using my mana while I still have an unlimited amount. Ugh, you're itches. Good, my mic is muted. Zombies. No one likes you, zombies. Plus damage. I know why. He's put a spell on me. Okay, now, can't buy him yet. Good. Buy this guy. Get my mana back, and I don't think. Nope. Boom. Hey, got a shot off. Start another round, and we got it like that. Wait, I could have upgraded him, couldn't I? Seeing that I already have a good wizard, I think I'm gonna chill before I actually start buying him. Should be good. 99, really. Cool, I have enough to buy one dude, then next round I'll do that. Okay. Can upgrade him. Stop using my League of Legends hotkeys and do that. Oh no. Not getting mana from him. Whatever. And I wish I could do this full screen. I believe there is an option too on this website, but whatever. A couple mana. I really don't. Yes, I do. I'm OCD. Oh, this guy shouldn't be too hard. starts up here pretty soon, so my upload streak will actually become smaller. Depending on how I decide to do it this year, I will not be uploading during the weekdays. Just a heads up for anybody who actually is watching my videos on average. But I can't wait for school. Anybody else is here watching it? Can't wait for school. Going to high school. It's gonna be a crazy experience. Yay! I'm sorry if you guys didn't like my last video when I did this voice. I have yet to look at the comments, which I actually will right after this video. If you see, I have my YouTube channel open right there. See, wait, what is this? Cleaver attack on. But he's kicking butt. Oh, wait. Well, even then I didn't have enough for him. And then soon, probably next round, I'll end up getting enough. After this round, I'll have enough power, or I will get it this round. Should have enough DPS to do it this round. What are you gonna do? Oopsies. He has a lot of... He's really fast attack speed now. He has an absurd amount of attack speed at the moment. Why does he have so much damage? I think next... No, I'm pretty sure it's next round that he actually gets his damage up. And damage, and then I'm gonna buy a few of these because I want to. There. Now he's OP. Nope, this dude's a pain in the butt. Oh yes, look at that power. Look at him about to melt this health. Look at that health being melted. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it this round or not. Come on, no, Archer. Nope, Archer didn't do enough. So let's go to the next round. Oh, lots of zombies. Lots and lots of zombies. I think, you know what? He has AoE damage. That's what makes him so powerful. He has AoE damage. That's it. I think that's what this is. No. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I know he has AoE damage though. And we can upgrade him. Let's upgrade him mana. That's something we haven't done in a while. You know what? I could have upgraded this and I could have showed you this. I guess that will be in the next video. How long are we going on this? Blah 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 blah. No. Don't wanna. Oh wow. I might even be able to do 3 on this one depending how fast this goes. Same basic setup. Oopsies, I did not mean to press that. I might be a little bit screwed here. Good job. At least I have money to buy everything now. Okay, buy that dude, buy that dude, and let's get her going. Why do I keep on trying to use my League of Legends hotkeys? I mean, really. See, these are the levels where these guys start having a hard time. Oh, here's his next form. He actually has one more form outside this, the Commander, the Legion of Death, or this is just a new person in a way. I actually can't wait, because he actually starts looking pretty badass. Excuse my language again, but he really does. And this is not a lie whatsoever. He starts looking really freaking cool. He looks like a freaking Reaper right now. Am I right? He looks like a Reaper. Come on. Who doesn't like the freaking Reaper? The Reaper is amazing, and there we go. He has barely any health left. da-ba-da-dee, da-ba-da-doo, da-ba-da-doo. Yeah, I am a very crazy person. If you cannot tell. Okay. You kind of get the idea at this point, but these 6 people, or if there's 7 people, I'd add an extra archer, probably do the knife's thrower, but that group of people is just kind of what I do for everything. Except for the mage, I might get fire mage instead of the healer. All just depends on how I'm feeling. At least that's how I'm going to start doing it. Because I used to not get the second wizard, I used to just have 2 archers, but now that I realize that he actually heals and he's pretty cool as well, I'm going to start using more. Just because he needs to get his health back up, because he's dying. He looks so cool. I kind of wish he was my hero, my king dude. Choose a unit. Let's go. This one, I'm actually going to turn off autocast, and I'm going to cast it on him. And I'm going to turn on autocast. Ooh. Good. No one died. I'm going to turn off autocast. I'm going to wait till I can level someone up. I'm going to hit that guy. I'm going to hit start. This guy, I'm going to go bang, and I'm going to turn autocast back on. Just because I want this guy healed. Cool, I can upgrade someone. This one, I'm actually going to upgrade this guy first. He's a good tank. And he also deals damage to us, yeah. This guy's getting dealt damage to himself, which is nice. Next guy I'm going to upgrade is probably fire. Then I'm going to upgrade the axe dude. Upgrade to the axe dude. And up his attack speed. Because I think he's OP with high attack speed. That's just me. Well, anybody with high attack speed is pretty OP. If you think about it, but I think he's just really good with high attack speed. And then he's just wrecking shit. Oopsies. Language, John. Language, lightning, language. You guys gotta help me with this. Oh wait, you can't help me. Sorry, but I need to work on that. Really, really, really badly. Yeah. Wait, don't cast it. Wait, yeah. I need to cast this on him. I'm gonna do that. And then, yes, he's back to full health. And then this actually might be the level we beat him. Just because he's a god. Or not. Why can't you be a little bit more godly? Well, I can make you more godly, but I'm saving it for him. If I actually used the attack speed upgrade on him, I probably would have beat that. But no need for extra attack speed. Brom is all you need. Brom is here for you. Stand behind Brom. Haha. Hey, no using my abilities. You're too newbie to use my awesome OP abilities. Attack speed, and then some attack damage. His attack speed's too OP for you. Look at that attack speed. It's so fast. It's so fast. It's awesome. And then we should be beating him this level. Or not. Now we're gonna beat him. these guys. Those guys are OP. Those guys and the lich people are pretty OP. And then you're dead. You're dead. You're just dead. Don't question it. You're dead. Delivering the rune of the Great Library, you have found a scroll of wisdom. It gives you 3 more upgrade points. Cool! So, upgrade. What we're doing, I'm gonna do this, this, and this. Because his attack needs to start going up, and his health needs to be higher. And then, do I have enough time for the next one? No, I'll make this a little bit longer of a video. Ooh, I get 7, but I get such a small amount of people. I get a small starting cash. I'm gonna keep the same front 3. I'm gonna actually put 4 in the back in the end. And that's gonna stay. Keep it like that for a while. Damn. At least he's getting EXP. That's always important. There we go. And just look at that EXP rolling in. Rolling in EXP. This can't be good. There we go. Oh, I can't even upgrade anything. Oh, I can, but I don't want to. There we go. I'm gonna do something a little bit crazy here. Either of those 2 guys are good. Truly, I used to actually, wrong group of people. I used to take this far right path because they're just good. Either one works. They're both powerful. They both will work. It doesn't matter. They pretty much have the same damage stats, except one takes a little bit more damage from another. I think he takes extra damage from piercing, and he takes extra damage from magic. So honestly, either one will work. This is piercing. That one's just heavy damage or something. I don't remember. I know this one's piercing. Oopsies. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Oh, this wasn't me. Let's get on with this. Let's upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade him. I'm gonna wait level. No, probably should have got a 3rd tier person. Yeah, I'm gonna need to wait one more round then. Yeah, I'm gonna need to wait one more round. I'm just gonna upgrade him. I'm gonna turn his auto cast off. Heal him. And I'm going to turn his auto cast back on. See, just getting him was helpful. Can't get anybody, don't have enough mana yet, so yeah. What? I have an idea. He's kicking some major butt, but he's not going to be enough. What I'm actually going to do, upgrade him. I'm going to grab him, put him in the far corner right there, and I will sell him later. Why I did that? For the mana. I want the mana. I'll sell him for an axe throw or something later. So I want that mana. It's a somewhat decent strategy. Just mana is awesome. And this archer's doing work. Don't have enough to get my ice wizard yet, so let's go for the attack speed axe. This actually may be the end. No, my axe dude died too early. And he's dealing some damage. Can't upgrade anything yet, can I? Sadly not. And I'm not gonna, if you're thinking I should upgrade this dude, I'm not. He's actually gonna be sold for an axe throw or something. A second archer dude. Oh, darn it. Whatever. Hopefully he tanks. Yeah, he's low on health. Get down. Damage. He's taking damage. Get wrecked. I earned a lot of EXP that round. Okay, guys, I'm gonna upgrade his 2 points. Go. There. Upgraded that. Yeah, it cost a little bit more mana, but it is worth it because it deals me a damage. Why am I talking like this? So yeah, that'll do it for this episode of Battle for whatever, I don't even know, for this walkthrough video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.